Yo, make some of those noises. It's on a recording.
Put this in your
Hey, I'm right here. I'm right here. Do it. It's on recording. It's on recording. Make the noises. Make the noises.
It doesn't do that smooth. Come on first. How are you not dead? Wait, what? How are you not dead?
Bro, how do you sound like that? Yo, what's the word of the day?
Turn into a car. And then breathe out like a normal breath.
Yeah.
And then you would add a bit of like scratch to it, like lower your voice.
Wait, how do you do it?
I can't really do it, bro. I'm not doing that again.
It does not hurt my throat at all, by the way.
Yeah, I can't really do it, bro. It makes me want to tear my throat out and hang it on the ceiling fan. It hurts so bad, bro.
Yo, am I doing it right?
Sounds like a sailboat.
I can taste my tongue.
Well, yeah, we're cooked. Maybe not.
Oh my god.
How do you get the grappler?
How did the grappler?
Not again, bro. It sounds like he's pooping out his mouth like Eric Hartman, bro. He's trying to do that poop out your mouth challenge. Poop out your mouth TikTok challenge.
In today's video, I will be doing the hot sauce challenge, where I chug a gallon of hot sauce to get my reaction. What the freak? Goose. Chug. Hey, you.
Wait, oh my god. I just have to add the sound effects. I don't have to say, get out. Just like editors, the editor, like, is literally just me on CapCut. So just add a bunch of get out sound effects. Tung Tung here, because I'm always here.
My name is Tung Tung Sa. Who is Tung Tung Sa here? Because someone was here.
That was actually too close. Guys, green is right behind you. Green's here. You guys want to kill the last guy? Guys, he's in this bush!
Shut up, you snitch! Oh my god, you're such a snitch! That guy's such a snitch! Oh my god! Dude, that guy's such a snitch, bro! Oh my god!